Okay, welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And in today's video, we're going to be partaking in the CQ Worldwide VHF Contest. Or are we? Coming up next. Okay, welcome back to the channel. And it's the third weekend in July, and it's time for the CQ Worldwide VHF Contest. It's open to all licensed amateurs here in the US, including techs, which is great. It's a great way for technician class licensees to get on the air and get a taste of operating in a contest format. Okay, like I said, it's the third weekend in July here in New York City. And that means it's hazy, hot, and humid. And there's T-storms popping up all over the tri-state area, so I got to keep an eye on those. Because I like to dodge thunderstorms because my antenna is slightly allergic to it. But I still want to get on the air if I can. So first I check out the contest calendar. I use a particular site. Just give contest calendar a search, and there it is. CQ Worldwide, open for 2 and 6 meters, any mode, worldwide. So depending on propagation, if 6 meters is cooperating, we can make some DX contacts. And then I check the VHF propagation and see what's cooking. And you can see right there, it's prime time for some VHF action. There's sporadic E openings on 2 and 6. And there's a solar flare probability bottom left, 56%, which is taking out HF. So it's a perfect storm. HF is in the doldrums, but there's sporadic E on 2 and 6 meters. But that's a little deceiving. Where are the openings? Right there. You got to check another website for VHF propagation. Give all these terms a search, and there's different sites out there. You can find one that works for you. But at the time that I got on the air, this is what was out there on the VHF propagation maps. Openings in the Midwest. Nothing on the West Coast, nothing on the East Coast, and nothing down south. But a lesson learned. You watch all of these forecast models and you see that there's no openings, but at the end of the day you still got to get on the air and call CQ because you never know, or tune up and down the band. There's the Yaesu FT-857D. Let's fire it up and get on the air. CQ Worldwide Contest coming up next on Ham Radio on the Go. Frequency in use. Is this frequency in use? CQ Contest, Kilowatt, Charlie 2, Juliet, Romeo, Quebec. Kilo, Charlie 2, Juliet, Romeo, Quebec. This is Kilowatt, Charlie 2, Juliet, Romeo, Quebec. Okay, copy, Echo Mary 6-2. Just please repeat your call, over. Okay, Roger, thank you. The grid is Fox November 30, FN 30, over. Okay, there you have it. A QSO with Kilo 4 Whiskey India in Echo Mike 6-2, which is in either Tennessee or Kentucky according to the grid map. All when the experts are saying there's no propagation to the northeast. So next time you consult with the experts, I suggest always asking for a second opinion and start calling CQ yourself. or at least tune up and down the band. You'll never know what you'll hear. And that's a wrap for the CQ Worldwide VHF Contest. Comment below and check out the description for the final tally. Like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go.